Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy puff stitch with one color only. This is my second time already, but this time we're going to use only just one color. If you want to make the two color, then go ahead and grab it in the description box below. I put the link there, and make or use a 5mm hook. Grab any yarn you have available. So just make sure the yarn is not too big and then the hook is too small. So just enough to grab your yarn and you're good to go. Let's get started. First, we're going to make a magic circle. Place your yarn like this. The end is in front of you, and then make it like this, turn it like that. Insert your hook there, and then just grab that yarn and pull up. So simple. And then hold this one that it's not broken, and then place your yarn in your finger like this. So place your yarn over your pinky finger, wrap your three middle finger 2 times. That's 1, 2, wait, and then go back here and hold. Again, place your yarn over your pinky finger, wrap this 3 middle finger 2 times, 1 and then 2, and then place your index and your thumb, hold this yarn here or this one here, and then pull the one in the bottom and place this one on the top, and then fold this one here. And this is how I always or mostly hold the yarn, so it's up to you how you do that, as long as you're getting along with the yarn you are using. So now we're going to make a chain 1, yarn over and pull through in that loop in your hook. That is our first chain. Insert your hook in the same circle, grab that yarn and pull up, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops in your hook. So we're making a single crochet. Place this away because we're gonna pull this later, and then we just need this circle here. Yarn over, insert your hook in the same circle, grab that yarn and pull up. Oh no, you don't have to yarn over, sorry. Insert your hook directly in that circle, grab and pull, yarn over and pull through 2 loops in your hook. That is our second double crochet. I'm gonna repeat that one until I have 6 double crochet in total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to make 12 in total of single crochet, and 6. So now add 6 more single crochet in the middle. Insert your hook and the same process. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Once you have 12, we're gonna pull this one, this end here, that's the purpose of that one, and pull. So go to the first single crochet, but first count before you go or close that round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then this one is a 12 one, the last one. Then insert your hook here in the first single crochet, yarn over and pull through. That is a slip stitch, and pull this one and there until no more opening here, like that. We can secure that later on. So the slip stitch doesn't count as a stitch, so you only have this looks really the same like the single crochet stitch here, but we're not gonna take that in the next round. So chain 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to make a double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook in the first stitch, this one here, yarn over and pull up a little bit until it matches to the chain 3 here, same height, like that. So yarn over and pull through 2 loops in your hook, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, grab that yarn and pull up, grab that yarn and pull through 2 loops again. So that's 1, that's 2, pull through 2 loops only. Now you have 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, grab that yarn and pull up, grab that yarn, pull through 2 loops again. Always pull through 2 loops until we have 6 loops in our hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4 loops in our hook at the moment. So we're gonna need 6 loops in total in our hook. So we're gonna repeat that 2 more times. Yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, grab that yarn and pull up, grab that yarn, pull through 2. Now we have 5 loops in our hook. Grab that yarn, insert your hook in the same stitch, grab that yarn and pull up, just pull up, grab that yarn, pull through 2 loops again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops in our hook. Once you have that one, chain yarn over and pull through all that loops in your hook and pull this one to make this tight here, and then chain 1. And then here in the very first single crochet, we're gonna place a single crochet. Insert your hook in the next stitch, in the next stitch, insert, grab this yarn and pull, grab this yarn and pull through 2. We just make a single crochet there. Then go in the next stitch, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, grab that yarn and pull up, grab that yarn, pull through 2 loops in your hook, 1, 2, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, grab that yarn and pull up, grab that yarn, pull through 2 loops again, repeat, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, grab and pull up, grab, pull through 2. 4 loops in your hook, grab that yarn, insert your hook in the same stitch, grab and pull up, grab, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, grab and pull up, grab, pull through 2. 6 loops in your hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yarn over, pull through all, pull this one, chain 1, insert your hook in the next stitch, grab that yarn and pull, grab that yarn, pull through 2, just like that. And then I'm gonna repeat what I did here, puff stitch, single crochet, puff stitch, single crochet, all the way around until I have 6 of this one. Yarn over, make a puff stitch, insert your hook in the next stitch, grab and pull, grab and pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, grab and pull up, grab, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, grab and pull up, grab, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, grab and pull up, grab, pull through 2 loops again. I have 5 loops in my hook, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, grab and pull up, grab, pull through 2 again. 6 loops in my hook in total, yarn over, pull through all, chain 1, like that, and then go in the next stitch, place a single crochet. Very easy. I just keep repeating these things now. yarn over, go in the next stitch, repeat again. So I will just go through here because we repeated this a few times now. Yarn over and just keep doing it over and over again. So that's what I love about crochet, is that you make one pattern and you do it over and over again, then it gets easier, and then you can make more of this one until you have enough for what you need. So now go to the next stitch, place one single crochet. So 1 2 3 4 puff stitch in total at the moment. We need 2 more, and yarn over, go in the next stitch, place a puff a stitch for the 5th one. So this is when it gets faster, because the more you do it, the faster you become. Pull, chain 1, go in the next stitch, place 1 single crochet, and repeat again. In the next stitch, place 1 puff stitch, again alternating 1 puff stitch in the next stitch, 1 single crochet after that. So just like that. Six loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through or pull, chain 1, and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. So as you can see, we have a slip stitch here. We are not gonna take that one because we already have here a single crochet. So what we're gonna do is go on the 3rd chain, 1 2 3, insert, yarn over and pull through, chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. And secure the remaining stitch after that. So to secure the stitch, I'm gonna insert my hook here in the same stitch. Then if it's possible, I'm gonna put this, divide this in half and pull that other piece of the yarn, and then I'm gonna insert my hook at the back or just here, and then I'm gonna grab this one to the back side, and then they are facing each other, and I can make a few knots there. That's nice and easy. And then I roll this together and hide the rest of the yarn. I'm gonna use a 3mm hook to grab this yarn here, then it is easier. I'm gonna insert my hook in the next stitch and pull up, and yarn over and pull this in that side, and then here, there you go. I'm gonna end up there, and as you can see, oh wait, I'm gonna hide this one here instead, like that, and then I'm gonna pull this yarn here, and this will close this one as much as possible, as close as possible, I mean. And then I'm gonna tie these two together here, because they are the 2 remaining stitches that's showing up, and I want to cut them away later. Secure it first and cut, or we can hide it again. Yarn over and pull, and then hide, repeat. Okay, I think that's enough. It doesn't look good there, so let me take that out. And I will just take that one here instead. Okay. There's still something showing up. Let me pull that one. Okay. If you need this one to connect this flower to somewhere else, then you don't have to cut this one. But for me, I'm gonna cut it because I don't need it. Okay, like that. So there you go. You have your puff stitch. and you can make it showing on the top. Just twist it up like that, and this one here also, piece by piece, just like you wanna flip it on the to the top. And the other one also, each of this, and each of them. And there you go. I really like the result or how it turned out. It's so beautiful. It's not much work at all. So let me hide this one at the back. It's showing up because this is going to be my front. So hide the remaining sticks that's showing up here, because it's going to be your face or the things that's showing up for your project. So the more beautiful the top, the better. Okay, like that. It's so nice. It's a 3D flower puff stitch. This is the other side, by the way, and this is the other side. How you guys like it? So cute. You can make a lot of color of this one. So that's it. This is for our crochet tutorial puff stitch. It's very easy to make. You can make a lot of different color with this one, and it's so nice. I just really like this one. So beautiful. You can attach it in your project wherever you want. So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends who want to learn how to crochet, and this crochet puff stitch can be a first project for them to finish.